In this video I will show you how to create new GitHub account and get started using GitHub. For this, open any browser and in the address bar, type github.com and press enter. Then at top right corner, click on sign up button. Then in the first field provide your email account which you want to use in GitHub. Provide valid email which you have not used previously in GitHub. Then click on continue button. In the create a password field provide strong password with the combination of symbol, letter and number. Then click on continue. Next provide username, and this username helps you distinguish among other GitHub account. Select unique name here. Then click on continue. If you want to get email from GitHub about any announcement, then check this checkbox. For now I will not do anything. Just click on continue. Now click on verify button to verify CAPTCHA. Just move the object in the direction pointing by the hand. Note that you may get different object and you must align properly. Next click on submit button. Now go to your email as mentioned here. You must get email from GitHub as shown here. Now copy down this 8-digit code. Then come back to GitHub and paste down that code. You can just right-click your mouse to paste the code. Then it will redirect you to login page. In this first field provide GitHub email which you have used just now. Or you can use GitHub username which you have used at the time of creating account. Then provide the password which you have used earlier. Then click on sign in button. Then in the field just select your company size and who are you field. I am alone and I am a student, so I will select those field and then click on continue button. Just check in any features you are interested in using. Then click on continue button. Just click on continue for free button. Congratulations, your GitHub account has been successfully created. Now you can create a repo by clicking on the create repository button. Then you can provide your desired repository name. You cannot have two repo with same name under your account. I am creating this repo as public and then click on add a readme file. To generate readme for the project, and then you can go straight by clicking on create repository button. You can also add description for the repo here. Congratulations, repo has been successfully created in GitHub. Hope you like this. Please like, share and subscribe to the channel. Also click on bell icon so that you will not miss any update.